Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Nike Tiempo from the Chromatic Pack. It's a very special pack. I really do like all the sole plates on them. They're really spectacular. This is the Tiempo. Here's a look at the label. Pick these up in a size UK 10 as always, which is true to size. What's good about Tiempos is they fit wide feet really well. So they actually fit my feet perfectly. But let's open them up. Come in this Nike silver box and then open it up. You do get a cool boot bag because it's the Elite version. It only came in the Elite version. But you do get a boot bag with all the Nike detailing on the front in the white, and also the swoosh is in the red, which kind of gives you a hint of what the colorway of the boot's going to be, white and red. So if we slide the box over here and I'll turn over the paper, we'll take a look. These look fantastic. Check them out, and also check out that sole plate. So you would have seen on my channel, I've already unboxed the Mercurial Vapor. This is the Tiempo. It is a fantastic colorway. I really do like it, and the sole plate makes it pretty spectacular. So let's take a close look at some of the details. So I know a few of you are going to be a little bit disappointed because it is not a leather upper. It is that fly touch upper as always, but I think it actually performs really well. It's really soft, really comfortable, and kind of actually adapts to your foot. On the inside, you do have these kind of like little dots on it to give you a little bit extra grip on the ball. However, they're not that grippy, so you're not going to notice these dots too much. However, I do like the aesthetic look of it. Just gives it a little bit more of a 3D texture on the boot itself. On the outside, you have the swoosh in a white, which matches the upper, and it's outlined in this kind of chrome red, which looks fantastic on the outside. Really does look really good on the outside. On the inside, you have the same miniature swoosh here in a white with a chrome red going around, which kind of wraps around to the sole plate. Just looks so good in white, but will it stay white? That is a real question, because I've had white Tiempos before and they get ruined very, very fast. A lot of white boots do, to be honest. You might not be able to see it, but on the inside here, it does have ACC, so it's meant for all condition control. So they're supposed to work really well in the rain. I haven't worn the Tiempo Legend 10, like, at all. So I will give these a try and see what they're like. But the Tiempo 9 I've worn before, and that was fantastic. I really did like it. Like I said, perfect for wide feet because it's kind of like wide, I guess I should say. But it adapts as well because that upper is so soft, it moves around your foot really nicely. And it does have a sock-like tongue, so it wraps around, makes your foot feel very secure inside. There's no loose tongue that kind of like slides around. It just feels like you're wearing a sock, and I really do like that. So you'll see the Tiempo's not really marketed towards speed players or agility-based players. It's more for the people that want to control the game. However, for me, that's just not the case. If this boot fits your foot perfectly, just wear it, because it is a fantastic pair. And probably the best thing about these boots, the sole plate. I've spoken about it before. You get the chrome red at the front, and it goes to this kind of like matte red at the back here, and the transition is fantastic. Yeah, that is so nice. Like I said at the start of the video, it only came out in this Elite version and only in FG as well. However, the stud pattern is very, very good. You do get the conical studs here at the front, which means it works very well on AG and FG. Haven't really tried it on SG. It's not going to have the longest of studs. I would have preferred an SG plate if I was going to wear it on a wet ground pitch. But on AG and FG it is fantastic. However, I would warn you, if you do wear on AG, this kind of like fly touch upper can wear very easily around this section here. I found that on the Legend 9 and it just kind of wore away, and this kind of material doesn't look as good, especially in white. And the only other thing I'd mention is this sock-like material goes all the way around to the back heel panel here and gets very dirty very quickly. So you will start to notice that you have kind of like a two-toned upper eventually, because this sock liner that wraps around here will go like a grey-brown and the rest will stay white for a little bit longer. So it just kind of changes the tone of the boot, and it's not my favorite thing. So like I said, I already unboxed the Mercurial. It is right here. Check out the sole plate on these. Absolutely fantastic. White upper with the transition of color from purple to blue here. So let me know down below in the comments, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the new Tiempo, the new Mercurial, or actually the new Phantom, which I haven't got in hand yet? But let me know if you want me to review that as well. Here are the two pairs. Both have fantastic sole plates, as you can see there. But yeah, which one do you prefer? Fit-wise, I prefer this one, but performance-wise and tech-wise, I definitely prefer this one. But let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.